Introduction. Our Earth provides us with resources that are limited in nature. We need to make an earnest attempt to use these resources optimally to make this place a better one. In this chapter, you will learn the ways in which we can use eco-friendly products to save what we have on this planet. In addition, you will also learn the various laws that our government has passed to safeguard the interests of humans and the environment. Use of efficient and eco-friendly technology. Due to population explosion, the world is facing a water crisis, energy crisis, and other crises caused by pollution and depletion of natural resources. So we have to conserve our present resources and safeguard the environment from future damage. This can be achieved by using efficient and eco-friendly technology. Observe the pictures and state whether pollution is created by this technology or not. The answer is no. Eco-friendly technology utilizes resources efficiently with minimum wastage and ensures that environmental damage is minimal. Solar power, wind power, biogas, pressure cooker are examples of some such eco-friendly technologies. Let us take a look at the working of a pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. Here is a pressure cooker that has parts such as sealing ring, overpressure plug, pressure regulator, vent pipe, air vent or cover lock, lock pin, cover handle, and the cooking rack. During cooking, steam and heat are produced in the vessel. In an ordinary vessel, this steam and heat escapes, so it takes more time to cook and uses more energy. But in a pressure cooker, due to the lid, the steam produced is trapped. This increases vapor pressure and produces more heat. The steam and the heat help cook faster and save fuel at the same time. Now, let's take another example of an eco-friendly gadget, the solar water heater. Solar water heater. In conventional water heating system, we use LPG or wood stove to heat water. Both release gaseous pollutants like carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Solar water heater has solar panels that are made up of solar cells. These cells are made up of silicon which traps the energy of the sun. Solar water heaters are eco-friendly as they use solar energy which is easily available, renewable, and pollution-free. Let us take up another example, biogas. Biogas. This is a typical biogas plant. It consists of a mixing pit, inlet pipe, gas holder, partition wall, slurry, gas pipe, and outlet. Organic waste from agriculture, like crop waste, animal dung, is put in a biogas digester. Microorganisms decompose this waste. The result is the production of biogas, which is a good fuel. In this process, slurry is also produced, which is a good fertilizer. Achieving eco-efficiency. Eco-efficiency can be achieved by 1. Use of alternative raw material. 2. Shifting to renewable sources of energy. 3. Technology that reduces pollution. 4. Reusing and recycling wastes. And 5. Durable goods. Let us see each of these in detail. 1. Use of alternative raw material. Agricultural residues like rice straw and wheat straw are good substitutes for wood. Wheat straw offers desirable properties for replacing wood in cement-bonded particle boards. Rice straw replaces wood in insulation boards. 2. Shifting to renewable sources of energy. Fossil fuels are the main source of pollution and are non-renewable. The renewable sources of energy, such as solar power, wind power, tidal power, hydropower, geothermal power, etc., do not create pollution and are inexhaustible. Electricity generated by these sources is called green power. So reducing the use of fossil fuels and shifting over to renewable resources will reduce pollution and save valuable fossil fuel resources. The organic waste from agriculture, factories, and domestic use is utilized for energy generation. Biogas, bagasse, and ethanol are some of these examples. Let us know more about these examples. Bagasse. When sugarcane stalks are crushed to extract juice, the biomass left behind is called bagasse. In sugar factories, 30% of total crushing is bagasse. This bagasse is used as fuel for boilers. Similarly, it is used for manufacture of paper and production of ethanol. Ethanol. This is produced by fermentation of wheat, maize, potatoes, or sugarcane. This ethanol is mixed with petrol or diesel. Hence, it is an alternative source of energy. 3. Technology that reduces pollution. Solar water heater, solar cooker, windmills are examples of technologies that are pollution-free. Like other fossil fuels, combustion of CNG produces greenhouse gases, but it is a cleaner alternative as it produces less pollution. Another example is use of unleaded petrol in vehicles which does not emit harmful gases in the environment. 4. Reusing and recycling waste. Many waste products from the industries such as paper, glass, plastics, and metals can be recycled. Recycling is a type of green technology that uses old material to make new products. For example, used paper is being recycled to produce computer papers, books, paper plates, toilet papers, paper towels, etc. Old used tires are recycled to create playground flooring in parks to provide soft surfaces that increase the safety of the children playing there. Advantages of recycling are: it conserves energy and raw materials. It saves space used in landfills. It protects environment by effective handling of waste materials. It reduces the cost of production. 5. Durable goods. Durable goods are goods that can be used for a long time and they reduce the consumption of resources for the production of new goods. For example, use of fiber optic cables in place of copper telephone wire not only reduces the use of mineral resources but also provides better communication. In automobiles, steel parts are substituted by plastic parts. The plastic does not corrode and makes the automobile body more durable.